Have you ever wondered how your monthly loan payment is split between interest and paying off your actual debt balance? Amortization is the process of spreading out a loan into a series of fixed payments over time. The goal of an amortization schedule is to ensure that your loan is fully paid off by the final scheduled payment date. Each row in the schedule breaks down your payment, showing exactly how much goes to interest versus the principal balance. Early on, most of your payment covers interest. As the balance shrinks, more of your money goes toward paying down the principal. This chart shows how the interest portion of your payment decreases over time, while the principal repayment increases. Because interest is calculated on your remaining balance, paying down the principal early saves you money over the life of the loan. Understanding your amortization schedule helps you take control of your debt. Thanks for watching, and stay sharp with your finances.